My name is Jess. This is DF Tacos Shoreditch. We're all about fully loaded tacos that dare to be different. We looked into the Duke when we knew we were going to launch a new menu at DF. We knew we were going to have a lot of different proteins across the new menu. Pork tamarind, buttermilk chicken, which need to be held crispy, to our halloumi, which needs to keep a bit of the moisture within it. There are other hot hole pieces of equipment that we tried out. However, the Duke was best for us because you can change sort of the temperature, the humidity, which meant we can hold all of our items still in one unit. It fits in just right underneath our line, which is exactly where our chefs need it in a busy period. They're quickly able to pull out the drawers, which is much better than before, where maybe a clunky piece of equipment was stored at the other end of the kitchen, which slowed things down for us. It's been so easy to train out to new team members, and also actually even our current team who were used to the old menu. They really love it because even in our busiest periods when we've got delivery orders coming in, we've got a full restaurant, our food is coming out in under 15 minutes, and that is largely part to the Dukes and what they offer us on the line. We're really excited with the reception that we've been getting from customers. They love the versatility of the dishes. They've said that they've not seen tacos like this anywhere else in London, and we're hoping to spread the word a little bit further. So that's us at DF Tacos. If you're looking to come and find some tacos that dare to be different and you want to try some new flavors, find us over in Shoreditch and we'll welcome you for some tacos and margs.